Hello and welcome everybody to my crafting channel at Upcycling NZ. Today I'm going to use some simplified versions of Zodiac symbols in my craft. The Zodiac is a belt of 12 constellations that divide the sky into sectors based on the sun's movement. It is an ancient system of divination used to determine personality and the influence that each of the 12 astrological signs has on you. I found this stick on the beach and I selected it for its strength, for its height and for its unique shape. I'll be making a walking staff with this, so I'm going to start with some green cord which I'll wrap around the top of the stick. I'm using PVA white glue for this, but you could use any other type of glue. And I'll just add some around the top of the staff where I want the cord to begin. I've left the end hanging down so that I can lock it in as I wrap. Then I'm simply going to continue to wind that around the stick until I've covered all of that glue. Then I'll add some more. I've used quite a long piece of cord so that I could create quite a good hand-size grip. And you'll notice that I left that end quite long because I will secure it with a knot at the bottom using both ends. Further down the stick, I'm going to add another band of cord to create some symmetry. I'll take advantage of the crack in the stick to really secure that end down this time. This process really helps to strengthen your stick as well, especially if it has cracks in it. I've trimmed the ends quite short and I'm just going to leave those as they are. Then I'm drilling a small hole close to an area of the stick that's quite straight. This is some bendy, flexible silver wire, and I'll poke that into the end and start to wind that around the stick. You can make these bands as small or as large as you like, so I've trimmed off the end. And when I'm coming close to the end, I'm going to leave enough wire to go around the circumference once again with about a ½ centimetre extra. Drill a ½ centimetre hole and then you can turn that wire and push it into that hole using the back of your pliers. Give the wire a twist in the direction of the ends and that will be securely locked in place. I'll do a few more of these to add some symmetry to the rest of the staff. Never drill your holes more than halfway through your staff. Using this method stops the wire from catching when you run your hands along the length of your stick. I'll add some more glue to the knots in my cord so that they stay secure. And this is how my staff is looking at this stage. I've also created another one of these taking hardwood from the forest. It's quite red and I've used twine instead of cord for this one. On the handle I've used a slightly thicker piece of twine. And here's how this piece is looking after I've put the twine and the wire on it. The easy way to apply your design is by using a paint pen. You could use a permanent marker for this, but it will probably bleed a little into the wood. This paint pen is an acrylic black paint, so once you've applied it, allow it to dry. It dries pretty quickly though. The other method is to use paint. I'm using a white water-based enamel paint and a paintbrush for this, but you could use any acrylic white paint. I've lightly sanded this stick and I'm applying the white paint to emphasise the bands of winded twine and wire. Now I'm ready to apply my zodiac symbols to my staffs. The zodiac signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. I did some Google research and came up with these symbols to represent those signs. Using the black paint pen, I'll do Taurus first. That's my star sign. Let me know in the comments what's yours. I'm thickening the lines by going over them a couple of times. I'm placing these at random all over the stick. At the top I'm going to put a sun symbol. And to fill some empty space I'm going to put some random dots. I'll do the same with my hardwood staff. Using thicker lines this time because it's a larger stick. I'm going to call these Zodiac staffs. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I make a wide variety of these kind of sticks. There's wizard sticks, druid staffs, talking sticks, even wands made from driftwood. If you want to check those out, subscribe to my channel and you'll find those videos in my playlists. Please let me know what you think of these. I love your feedback.